Welcome, fellow developers. In this video, we're going to dive deep into best Visual Studio Code extensions for web developers. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting your programming journey, these extensions can help you a lot in your web development workflow. First, let's talk about Auto Rename Tag. Auto Rename Tag is an extension helps you a lot in HTML language. Let's test it by opening an HTML file. Then write H1. Normally, I would have to write H2 on both sides, but thanks to this extension, I can achieve what I want by writing it on one side. Better comments. If you're working with a team, this extension will help you a lot. First, make a comment, then add special cares like question mark, exclamation mark, asterisk. Look, the comments colors are changing. With this extension, you can make special comments. But wait, there's more. Our next extension is really helpful for JavaScript writers. This is bracket pair color DLW. This extension helps you identify where parentheses belong. Let's test it with opening a JavaScript file. As you see, the brackets are colorful and I can see them easily. And this feature is applicable to other types of parentheses as well. The extension called Colorize makes the colors used in your CSS code more prominent, making it easier to understand. Let's try it with opening a CSS file. Our next extension is Deep Dark Material Theme. Normal VS Code like this. But when we change it to Deep Dark, it's awesome. And it has another theme too. This is full black, but I don't like this, so it can be default. Our next extension is Live Server. Live Server is helping you a lot if you are a front-end developer. With this extension, you can see what you are doing while writing your code. When I save the file, it will appear on my other window. And if I activate auto save, it will automatically appears in other window. Our final extension is Material Icon Theme. Thanks to this theme, it creates a more appealing appearance. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.